Hello, I'm trying to show here how to join Reef and BNB pool on pancake swap. So first looks like I got 2000 Reef here. And when I'm gonna go on liquidity. Not so first I swap my BNB and get some Reef, and then I go on liquidity, and then I click Reef, and then I click max, and then I click approve Reef, which I have just done it 2 seconds ago. Yeah, first I have to click approve Reef. Once I've done it, now I have to click supply. See, now I have to have similar amount of Reef, which is equivalent to the similar amount of BNB. So 2000 Reef currently is equal to 0.126349 BNB. So they have to have similar value. And then I click supply, confirm supply, and then I'm going to confirm. You have to pay a lot of fees here and there, but then it pays at the end of the day when you see you're earning cakes, and then you feel amazing because cake is really hot right now. The values are going really high. I got into cake when it was a month ago. It was about $20. Now they're 35 US dollars, which is a little bit more in Canadian dollars, 40 something. Perfect. Okay, so it looks like view beyond BSC scan. Yeah, it's success. That means it's got approved. Let's cancel that and close this. So now I have a Reef BNB pool. That's perfect. And I'm gonna go on farms. And every day PancakeSwap approves new, awesome, interesting pools. So today I got into LMT BNB, which was a 652% APR times 2. So this is good. This is the most beneficial one, Cake BNB, because it's 40 times multiplier. The APR is a little bit low, but then this adds up, being very lucrative. Okay, so let's find Reef BNB pool. So I'm gonna look for Reef BNB. Perfect. I'm gonna go click that. It's only 134. Yeah, the APR is not the highest, but at least I can get some more, and I wanna hold some Reef. That's why I'm doing it. I feel like Reef's gonna be really big in the future, and I love Reef as well. So I wanna earn some while it's sitting on my wallet, and I can keep my BNB here as well. Perfect. So stake my LP maximum, and then 15.80 whatever I have, what we just created liquidable, and then click confirm and done again. Yeah, there's a lot of little fees to pay here and there, but it's not that much. It adds up maybe like less than $1 every time. Perfect, that's it. We're done. Now it's gonna say automatically pending confirmation. It's gonna show up. Perfect, there you go. It's 15.81 BNB already staked, so I'm just gonna start earning here. So there you go. This is how you get into Reef BNB pool. Thanks for watching.